Morning po, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So what will happen is that next week I will not be giving you any task in the Google Classroom, no? I will give time pa rin. Lagi naman ganun eh. I will give time pa rin for the others to complete their work, na? Para in the end, those who are asking for chance para humabol, I can be a little more strict on them. Okay? Kasi lahat na ng chance binigay na eh. No? Considering na graduating dapat kayo and yet talagang kakaunti yung gumagawa. As of this time, 4 yung graded, 12 yung submitted. Hindi pa natin alam doon sa 12 na submitted, baka may nag-submit pa ng blank. Deliberation for grade 12 supposed to be scheduled today, pero I told them I have my online class tomorrow morning. I don't know kung maihahabol ko pa yung grade nung magpe-performance task this morning, no? Kasi gagawin ko rin yung grade ng grade 11 pa. And may online class pa ako sa grade 11. Hopefully, matapos ko pati yung mga magpe-performance task this morning. I think mabilis lang naman sagutan yung exercises in solving system of linear equation. Sino ba ang meron nagawa? Raven, may sagot ka?
Sir, yung last week po ba?
Yung solving system. Solving system of linear equations. Meron kang sagot?
Opo, yung roots pa.
Can you take a picture of number 1 and then send it to me? Okay lang ba? Para mabilis tayo mag-check later.
Sige pa.
Christian, do you have an answer to that exercise?
Yes.
Anong number ang isa-send mo sa akin? Can you send me a picture of one of the items? Anong number? Meron ka?
Wait lang po, sir. Tingnan ko po.
Hasmin, may sagot ka? Solis?
Yung alin po yung exercise, sir?
Yung last week pa, yung solving system of nonlinear equations.
Check ko po.
Sige. Maruska, do you have an answer to that exercise?
Saan po, sir?
Yung solving system of nonlinear equations.
Yes po.
Okay. Raven is already sending me yung number 1. Do you have an answer, Maruska? What number can you send to me?
System. Nonlinear.
Christian,
Exercise number 9 po.
exercise number 9 ba yan? Yeah, number 9 yan.
Okay po. Anong number po?
Do you have an answer to... Christian, anong number ang napili mo?
Ito na lang. Ay,
Number 1 si Raven, number 2 si Christian. Hasmin? Meron kang sagot?
5 na lang pala, sir.
5 na lang si Christian. 1 si Raven, 5 si Christian. So either 2, 3, or 4, Maruska, what number are you going to send?
3 po.
Okay, so sige. 1, 3, and 5. Hasmin, may sagot ka? Para isa na lang yung sasagutan ko.
Sir, hindi ko po mahanap.
Hanapin mo muna. Hanapin mo muna. It's either meron ng 1, 3, and 5. 2 or 4, Hasmin. Ha? If you have an answer to one of those, send it to me via messenger. Okay? So, I think we can start now. Yes, Raven?
Ay, sir, yung sinend ko po, graph lang po pala yun. Graph lang po pala yung nalagay ko nun.
Walang solution?
Ako hindi ko pa nalagay yung gulo po kasi.
Okay lang. Check natin kahit ano yung may solution. Sige. Reforma will be reporting his performance task. Sige, Christian. Yes, Chris.
Pwede rin po mag-report na yan?
Yes.
Ay, nakahanda na rin po.
Okay. Pagkatapos ni Reforma.
Sige, thank you po. Ako din po, sir.
Yes, sige. Lahat ng kayang mag-report ngayon, pagbibigyan natin ng chance. Kaya nga, pinasend ko na lang yung sagot sa ibang exercises para we can just check them. Reforma?
Sir, present na po ako.
Okay, go ahead.
Nakita po ba?
Yes.
So, good morning everyone. First, I would like to thank Sir Dong for giving me a chance to perform my performance task. So, let's start. I'm Christian Jericho Reforma from 11P. So, I chose the Math Calendar 11-2022 from Who Says It Nayan, YouTube channel of Sir Dong. The problem is determine the value of 9 times logarithm 2 9 times logarithm 2 to the base 24 plus logarithm 27 to the base 24. So this is the suggested solution, and moving on, this is my alternative solution. So 9 times logarithm 2 to the base 24 plus logarithm 24 at logarithm 27 to the base 24.
Reforma, move this slide.
Di po ba na-move? Sir, na-move ko po. Ayan pa.
Ayan.
Okay na po. So,
Sige.
by transforming the expression, and it will be expressed logarithm 2 to the power of 9 to the base of 24 plus logarithm 27 to the base of 24, and evaluate, simplifying the expression, and it will be expressed logarithm 27 times 2 to the power of 3 to the base of 24, and evaluating the power of 2 to the 2 cube, logarithm 27 times 512 to the base of 24, and multiplying the 27 times 512, and it express logarithm 13,824 to the base of 24. So, writing the expression in exponential form with the base of 24, and it will be express logarithm 24 to the power of 3, 24 cube to the base of 24, and simplifying the expression using the log a to the power of x to the base of a is equal to x. Therefore, x is equals to 3. And yun, sir po.
Okay.
Yun lang po, sir.
So basically, the same, balik mo sa slide number 3. Balik mo sa slide number 3. Reforma.
Any question po, sir?
Oo, balik mo yung presentation mo. Hindi na maibalik? Ay. Hindi mo na maibalik yung presentation?
Wait lang po, sir.
Dali mo sa slide number 3.
Okay po, sir. Here po.
So basically, this is just the same method of solving, The danger to this solution, pero dun muna tayo sa line number 3. Typographical error siguro yan. Yung 27 times 2 cube, it's supposed to be 2 raised to the 9 power. Kasi naging 512, no? Dapat yan 9. Typographical.
Ayaw po, sir.
3, 4, 5. Line number 5. The danger to this is that you wouldn't know whether 13,824 is a perfect cube unless you use a calculator, no? So, yun lang naman yung danger dyan. Anyway, solution accepted. Sige, Reforma. Let's go to Chris.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay.
Morning po. Wait lang. Kita po ba yung yung screen? Ayan po. Kapag nag-share, kapag nag-present po ako.
Yes. Sige, tuloy mo.
Wait lang, present po. Ayan, kita pa rin pa yung screen.
Wait lang. You're not in the
Kita pa po.
Sandali lang, Chris. Saglit lang. Balik mo nga doon sa slide showing kung anong problem ito.
Problem number 4, 2022 po.
Sandali lang, ha. Hindi ito nakalista sa akin. Problem number 4.
Yes po.
Bago lang yan, 2022.
Yes po.
Oh, go
Bago
ahead.
po.
Sige, go ahead.
Good morning. My name is Chris Rainier E. Perez from 12B. Today I'm going to show you my math performance task. This is the problem. Problem number 4. Two cousins visited Jane today. One cousin visit every 42 days. The other visit every 429 days. They will next visit on the same day in how many days? So, in the suggested solution, Sir Dong used the division method in using the least common multiple. First, put 42 and 429 and gets the factor, which is 3. And the result is 14 and 143. Uh, in solution, we will multiply 3 times 14 times 143 to get the answer, which is 6006. My alternative solution is using an least common multiple method by using prime factorization. In using the prime factorization, there is 3 steps. Find the prime factorization for each number using exponents. For each prime factor, write the base with the greatest exponent, and then you multiply. Just like on the right side, 42. So we will get the using prime factorization 42, and then it will branch out to 2 and 21. Then we will branch out to 21, 3 and 7. And 429, we will branch out to 3 times 143. And we will branch out 143 to 11 and 13. After that, greatest since 3 is we will only get 1 3. So 2 times 3 times 7 times 11 times 13. And the answer is 6006. And well done. Thank you for listening.
Okay, put it back to slide number 2. 3, I think. 3, I think. Yeah.
Ay, 4 po ba? Ito
This
po
one,
ba?
no.
Yes po.
Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, so this solution is accepted, no? Although the same. This is the one I use is long division method, and it's also called prime factorization. Using prime factorization method.
Factor 3 po.
This is factor 3, correct?
3.
This is factor 3. Okay. Next time. Meron ba?
Sige po.
Meron pa bang kasunod?
Ako po, sir.
Go ahead.
Sige po, wait lang.
Sino to?
Ako po, sir. Ako. Ibanez po.
Hindi mo ba binago? Problem number 9 pa rin?
Ako po, yun pa din po. Start na po ako. Good morning, sir. Good morning, class. I'm Charles Edwin B. Ibanez from section 12B, and I will be using the math calendar, problem number 9, 2022, as my performance task. Next slide, please. You are a traveler in City A and you must reach City B by nightfall, or else you will be eaten by a lion. Obviously, you want to take the shortest path that is only going east and north. How many ways can you go if you must follow the path from point A to B? Next slide, please. Here's the suggested solution in the solution video. For my solution, I counted the ways in east and north and used solve for P as my method. Next slide, please. I multiplied, so 6 multiplied by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 and by 1 equals to 720, and 6 squared is equal to 36. following, I divided it, so 720 divided by 36 is equal to 20. Therefore, there are 20 different paths to move from point A to point B. Next slide, please. Here's another method. First, you need to identify the total of moves you need from point A to point B. Total of 6 moves. Slide, please. Then create 6 sections of Pascal's triangle, which is 6. Then I added it, resulting to 20. Therefore, there are 20 possible paths to move from point A to point B. That is all. Thank you very much for listening, sir.
Okay,
Oh, oh,
the last slide is very similar to the solution that I gave that resembles the Pascal's triangle, no? And that is one application of the Pascal's triangle. Your solution, you did not explain why you have that formula. Do you have any explanation for that formula, Ibanez?
ayun po sir, inad ko lang po siya, nakita ko siya sa ano po.
Sa
Dun-
balikan mo yung
Nag-research po
formula.
kasi. Saan po sir?
Yan. Why is it m
Ito po.
plus n factorial over m plus n squared?
Nung ano po sir po, yung east and, east and north po.
Hmm. What has east and north to do with this?
Binilang ko po.
No. What is east and what is north? Why
Binilang ko
m?
po
Why
sir, tapos
n?
pinag-ano.
What is represented by m? What is represented by n?
North and east po.
What about north and east?
Binilang ko po sir nung pat,
Yung
sa grid po, binilang ko po.
yung sa grid. Yeah. Okay na tayo dyan. Next tayo. Meron pa ba?
Ako pa. Thank you po sir.
Okay. Meron ba?
Ako
Wala
po,
na?
sir.
Oh, go ahead, John Mark. You're not in the list, John Mark. What are you presenting? Hello, John Mark?
Problem the week number 5 po. 2021.
Oh, go ahead.
Kita po ba, sir?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am John Mark J. Quinto from 12B, and I choose Math Calendar 2021 problem of the week number 5. Here is the feature problem. What are the values of A, B, and C in the following addition? Here is the suggested solution. Sa step number 1, find something to add to 4 so that the answer will be 2. Step number 2, find something to add to 8 and 1 so that the answer will be 6. And step number 3, find something to add to 2 and 1 so that the answer will be 8. And here is my alternate solution. Step number 1, subtract 2 from 4. Step number 2, find something to subtract to 5 so that the answer will be 8. And number 3, subtract to 7 from 2. That's why the answer in letter A is 5, letter B is 7, and C is 8. Thank you po sir for listening.
Okay, put it back to slide where you have the suggested solution. No, the suggested solution. My suggested solution. Yan. Okay. Did I write this or you just got this from what I said?
Based po sa sinabi niyo sir.
Okay. So, kung ganyan mismo yung sinabi ko, di dapat pala may correction ako, no? Find something to add to 4 so that the answer will be 2. It's supposed to be, find something to add to 4 so that the units digit of the answer is 2. Pwede kasi ano yan eh. 8 plus 4, hindi naman sagot ay 2. Sagot dyan ay 12. Sigurado ka ba? Yun ang sinabi ko?
Hindi ko alam
Okay.
po sir.
His solution is just the inverse of the process, no? And that is accepted. Sige. Next tayo. Meron pa ba? Karil, are you going to present today? Ruth?
Yes po, sir.
Oh, go ahead. Ikaw na.
Sir, nakikita po.
Block. Yan. Okay.
Ayan po.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Karil Ruth A. Pili from 12B, and I'm going to report the math calendar week number 16 of 2021. Here is the problem. Brothers and sisters I have none, but that man's father is my father's son. Who is that man? So from this problem, we're going to identify who is that man in this riddle. For my solution, first we're going to look for the subjects in this sentence. For the first subject, it is the brother and the sister. But the man's father, we also have the man and the man's father. Let's go back from the start. Brothers and sisters, I is also the subject. It means the one who's narrating, which is the speaker, and also the father's son. Speaker's father's son. Just to clear, this speaker's father's son, it is the son of the father of the speaker. So according to the speaker, brothers and sisters I have none. So he has no brother nor a sister. But the man's father is my father's son. So the man's father is also the speaker's father's son. So the man's father and the speaker is just a same person, and the man and the speaker's son, and the man is the speaker's son. So the answer to the problem, who is that man? That man is the son of the speaker. That's all, everyone. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.
Okay. I like the illustration, no? No math at all. Sige. Sige. That's
Thank you po.
okay. Anyone else? Wala na? Andiyan si Parani kanina. Wala ba siyang presentation? Okay. Those who are not doing their performance tasks, you're just loading yourselves with a lot of work, no? I'm just saying this, lahat ng nandito sa online class yata ay nakapag-submit na. I'm just saying this for those who will check their work and will be viewing the online class, no? Because I have already prepared your performance task for the fourth quarter para makapag-prepare na kayo. Okay? Tignan muna natin yung performance task bago natin checkan yung ating exercises on nonlinear equations. This is going to be your performance task for the fourth quarter. Yung mga nag-perform ngayon, yung nagbigay ngayon ng performance task nila, I will try to give your grades to Sir Perante, pero sigurado naman nakahabol na yung grade ninyo. Kung hindi ko man maibigay sa deliberation today, maihahabol na yan sa card ninyo for sure. Kung kukuha kayo ng card ng third quarter. Ha? So this is going to be your performance task for the fourth quarter. Kita ba? Yeah. You're going to write your own problem this time. No? You're going to write your own 10 problems. Magsulat kayo ng 10 problems. For math induction, pwedeng equation lang. Pwedeng you're going to prove an equation. But for the other topics, hindi pwedeng equation. Word problems. We'll have math induction after sequences and series. Doon pwedeng equation lang. And you will see. Huwag muna kayo magsulat. Ang system of nonlinear equations, the one that we're going to check today, is already included in the fourth quarter. You're going to use word problems for all the other topics. Doon lang kayo sa math induction pwede gumawa ng equation lang. Your own 10 problems about the topics taken in fourth quarter. Okay? Emphasize ko lang your own 10 problems. You're going to write it in Word format so that Google Classroom will be able to or can check the originality of your work. Makikita naman ni Google Classroom yan kung plagiarize yung inyong or kung copied yung inyong word problem. No? Kaya yung solution ninyo, you can do it by writing and then just take a picture of it. Pero yung problem, it must be written in word format. Okay? Kaya nga ang laki ng aking binigay sa originality. You must be able to write your own 40%. And then the difficulty of the problem, baka mamaya gumawa kayo ng problem, puro one-step problem lang yung gagawin ninyo. And can be simplified to find the value of x. That's 30%. And of course, clarity of solution, 30%. Binibigay ko na ng maaga para makapag-prepare na yung iba. Anyway, meron na tayong system of nonlinear equations. And yung 10 dapat ay tawag diyan. Well distributed dun sa topics natin. Kasi napakaraming pwedeng problems na gawin dun sa sequences and series. Baka mag-concentrate kayo dun. Sige. Napakababa ng difficulty ng mga problems sa sequences and series. Nakita niyo naman siguro kung gumawa na kayo ng exercises din doon. And for those who just came in, next week I will not give any activities in the Google Classroom para makapag-spend kayo ng time to complete all the other activities. If not in my subject, marami dito sana sa online class na tapos na sa mga gawain sa Precalculus. You can have the time for other subjects and then we will resume the week after. No? Okay? Binigay ko na ng maaga to because May 2 to 13 we'll have no classes, even online classes. I don't think we will be allowed to give you modules pa rin kasi yun ay no classes, no? Pero to give you an idea, kung gusto na ninyong gumawa nito and have some advanced reading, our topics, yung mga natitira natin will be sequences and series. Naibigay ko na yung exercises dyan. Yung sequences pa lang pala yung naibigay ko, no? Arithmetic sequence and arithmetic mean, geometric sequence and geometric mean. Ang kasunod nun, sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence and the sum of the terms in a geometric sequence. So, series naman yan. And then after series, we'll have math induction. Meron tayong 3 weeks para sa math induction. Okay? And then, after mathematical induction, trigonometry na tayo. Ilang weeks pa ba yung na-expect natin? We have 9 weeks for the quarter. Nakaka 2 weeks na tayo. 2 weeks yung siguro walang pasok. So that's 5. Meron lang pala tayong 1 week for trigonometry. 1 or 2 weeks for trigonometry. So yun lang. Trigonometry, mathematical induction, system of nonlinear equation, sequences and series. Diyan ninyo kukunin yung inyong 10 word problems na isusulat. Okay? But then again, lahat ng video presentation nun, nandun na sa YouTube ng Husay Sipnayan. So you can just have an advanced viewing para makapagsulat kayo ng sarili ninyong problem. If you would like to finish it early for Precalculus. Okay? Stop presenting ko na itong ating tawag dito. Performance task. Save ko lang. Wala naman tayong magagawa kundi hintayin pa rin yung iba na wala pang gawa. Tignan natin yung solutions. Raven, were you able to send solution to number 1? Prepare your exercises on system of nonlinear equations, please. Harvest ko lang yung mga sinend sa aking solution. Wait lang. Okay, your work, everyone. Punta tayo sa number 1 item. So the system is 2x squared plus y squared equals 18. Second equation is xy equals 4. If this is, wala akong pen. Wait lang. Yan. If this is equation 1, then this is equation 2. So, from equation 2, kumuha siya ng equation for y in terms of x, and that is correct. And then, by substitution, gumamit siya ng substitution. So, that becomes 2x squared plus 4 over x squared equals 18. Okay? So, naging 2x squared plus 16 over x squared equals 18. And then, minus 18. Multiply all terms. From here, pwede na mag-multiply all terms by x squared. Pwede na yan. Actually, basically, yun lang din naman yung ginawa niya para mag-result dito. So, we have 2x to the 4th minus 18x squared plus 16. All terms can be divided by 2. X to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 8, okay, equals 18. And then, so ang ginawa niya dito ay x squared is equal to t. Let t be equal to x squared. Kaya ito ay t squared minus 9t plus 8. Okay. So from here, by factoring, you can get t is equal to 1 or t is equal to 8. That's correct. Now, if t is equal to 1, then x squared is equal to 1. Then you have x is equal to positive or negative 1. May kasunod ba to, Raven?
Sir, yung graph lang.
Yung graph lang. Wait lang ha. Oh, hanggang dito lang yung solution na binigay mo? Hanggang dito lang? Okay. And then, if t is equal to 8, then x squared is equal to 8. So, x is equal to positive or negative 2 is square root of 2. Pwede naman to, pero this is, uh, this one will do. Okay. Now, what is the next step after you uh, do this? No? If x equals 1, ganun lang yan. If x equals 1, go back to equation 2. Then y is equal to 4 over 1. Y is equal to 4. So one of the solutions is 1, 4. If x equals negative 1, then y equals 4 over negative 1. Then this is negative 4. So the other solution is 1, negative 4. Okay. Next, if x equals 2 square root of 2, then y is equal to 4 over 2 square root of 2. Then y is equal to, magka-cancel yan, 2 over square root of 2. Multiply both numerator and denominator by square root of 2. You will have square root of 2. Is that correct? Square root of 2. Square root of 2. 2 square root of 2 over 2. Tama. Okay? And then, if x equals negative of 2 square root of 2, then y is equal to, pareho lang naman yon, negative square root of 2. So you have 4 solutions to this system, no? 2 square root, oh no, ba't ako may comma din? Wait lang. So you have 2 square root of 2 square root of 2, the other one, negative 2 square root of 2, negative square root of 2. Okay? Dito, chinek ni Raven yung kanyang solution. By graphing. No? Yung ano naman ay madali lang naman gamitin. Yung Desmos. Yan. So you see, the intersections 1, 4, 1, negative 4, and then the decimal representation of the solutions. Okay, check your work for number 1. Very good. Next tayo. Kunin ko lang yung sagot. Sino nag-send na number 2? Wala ba? Anyone? Hello, may nag-send ba ng number 2?
Ako po, sir.
Si Yasmin. Wait lang. Saglit lang ha. Ayusin ko lang. Medyo maliit. Ito pala una. Okay, let us see. Ay, napatungan. What is the equation supposed to be? 3x squared. Tama ba? Is this number 2? Lahat na pala ng solution ni Yasmin sinend niya. Tignan natin to. 3x squared, ito pala yung number 2. Kita ba? Kahit ganyan kalaki lang? Hello? Nadidinig ba ako? Kita niyo ba
Yes,
yung
sir.
presentation? Sige, tignan natin yung number 2 niya, no? So, it's 3x squared minus 2y squared plus 5 Ang ginawa niya ay inequate niya. Anyway, parehong equal sa 0. Okay, sige, subukan natin. Now, the problem here is that pagdating dun, pag inequate mo, you will result to an equation na meron pa ring na meron pa ring x squared at y squared, no? How did you get x equals 1, Hasmin? How did you get x equals 1? Hello?
Sir, sir, sinundan ko lang po yung
Yung?
sa video po.
Meron ba akong ganyan solution? Nag-result pa rin kasi siya sa equation, na? If you have an equation with two variables, that is an indeterminate equation. There may be no solution, one solution, or more than one solution to the equation. Kasi nga, dalawa yung variable niya. No? For system of equation, lagi, ang aim natin is to minimize the number of variables. Yeah, tignan mo, inequate mo, nag-result siya sa equation na meron pa ring x at meron pa ring y. For this equation, let us see. As representation, wala. Ay, lumalampas ako. Yan, tingnan natin, no, yung number 2. What I'm going to do is elimination by addition or subtraction. Look that, see that if you, let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If I multiply equation 2 by 2, magiging 2y squared yan, no? So, meron na tayong 3x squared minus 2y squared plus 5 equals 0. Tapos yung equation 2 magiging 4x squared minus 2y squared plus 4 equals 0. Okay? And then, from here, we're going to subtract term y's. You see that y squared will be eliminated. May eliminate yan pag nag-subtract ka term y's. Alright? This is negative x squared plus 1 equals 0. So you have x squared equals 1, then x equals positive or negative 1. Doon nakuha yon. O, siguro nag-alat ka ng values, no? So dalawa lang yung values for x and y. Tama? Balik tayo. If x equals 1, you can choose either equation 1 or equation 2 from here. Let's use equation 1. So we have 3 times 1 squared minus 2y squared plus 5 equals 0. Tignan natin kung tama yung y ni Hasmin. So this will be 3 plus 5, 8 equals 2y squared. Tama? Divide by 2, 4 is equal to y squared. Then y is equal to positive or negative 2. Therefore, the solutions are 1, 2, and 1, negative 2. May dalawa na kaagad. Dalawang to, no? Hyperbola. Tama? Kasi negative yung y squared. If x equals negative 1, gawin pa rin natin yung equation 1. We have 3 negative 1 squared minus 2y squared plus 5. You see that it results to the same equation. 3 plus 5, 8 pa rin. So, ang mga solution natin, negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. You have 4 solutions. Okay? Kung iisa-isay natin yan, sulat nyo na lang lahat para mas malinaw. 4 yung solution. Negative 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, and then 1, negative 2. Okay? Do you have any question? Ayan, yung square root of 3 tuloy. Nagkaroon ng square root of 3. Do you have any question? Problem number 2? Hello? Wala. Who sent solution to number 3? Meron ba nag-send solution to number 3?
Ako po, sir.
Maruska? Tama ba? Si
Yes
Maruska
po.
ba nilagay ito? Wait lang. Kunin ko lang solution ni Maruska. Okay, let's check number 3. The equation is x squared minus y squared equals 21. Let's label this as equation 1, then equation 2. So from equation 2, kumuha siya ng equation in x in terms of y. X equals 7 minus y, then substitution. Substitute x to equation 1. Ganyan ang ginawa niya. So we have 7 minus y squared equals 21. Square of binomial, y squared minus 14y plus 49 minus y squared minus 21 equals 0. Cancel ang y squared. So very simply, y is equal to, tingnan nga natin, tama ba? Negative 14y, 49 minus 21 is 28. Okay, divide by negative 14. So ganun lang din naman. Minultiply muna by negative 1 siguro. Kaya naging 14y equals 28. Then y is equal to 2. So this is hyperbola and a line. Nag-intersect lang at one point. Sinubstitute yung value ng y doon sa equation 2. X is equal to 5. What if you substitute the value of y to equation 3? 5 and 2. 25 minus 4. Paano kung sa equation 1 natin sinubstitute yung y equals to x squared minus 2 squared is equal to 21. Anyway, tama ito no? They intersect at 5, 2. Tignan natin. X squared is equal to 25. So, x equals positive or negative 5. But negative 5, 2 is not a solution to equation 2. No? Negative 5, 2 no, is not a solution to equation 2. Therefore, ito lang yung sagot. Okay? So, if you have situations like this, you try to look at other possibilities. So, 5, 2 is the only answer. Then, the hyperbola and the line intersect at only one point. Very good. Any question? Problem number 3? Or item number 3? Anyone? Meron ba? Wala. Meron bang nag-send ng item number 4? Christian, ano yung sinend mo? Number 5?
Opo sir, kaso graph lang po.
Sa graph lang. Tignan natin yung number 4, no? Mahirap ba yung number 4? Let's see, number 4. Okay, let us label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 2, if we multiply all terms by y, tignan nga natin. From equation 2, if we multiply all terms by y, we'll get y squared plus y, correct? Plus x minus 2 equals 0. No? Now, if we label this as equation 3, if we subtract equation 1 and equation 3, madali lang pala, oh. Tignan niyo, nakita niyo? Y squared plus y plus x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. Term-wise, no? This means term-wise. Y squared plus y plus x minus 2 equals 0. If we add, subtract, subtract term-wise, y squared minus y squared is 0. Y minus y is 0. Then we have x squared. Negative x minus 2 minus x is negative 2x. And then negative 2 minus negative 2 is 0. That will be equal to 0. See? Then by factoring, we have x times x minus 2 equals 0. So we have two solutions here. One, x equals 0. The other, x equals 2. Okay? Let us use equation 1 to solve for y. If x equals 0, then y squared plus y plus 0 minus 0 minus 2 equals 0. Then you have y squared plus y minus 2 equals 0 factored as, oh no, mali ang aking factoring. Yan. Factored as y plus 2, tama? Times y minus 1 kasi negative 2 yan. So y equals negative 2 or y equals 1. Then you have two solutions when x equals 0. 0, negative 2. The other one, 0, 1. Next, if x equals 2, then we have y squared plus y plus 4 minus 2 minus 2 equals 0. 4 minus 2 minus 2, 0. Then we have y times y plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, y equals 0 or y equals negative 1. Then the solutions, 2 negative, oh no, no, 2, 0 or 2, negative 1. Tingnan nga natin yung sinend ni Padre. Number 4 ba yung sinend mo, Padre? Number 5?
5 po, sir.
5. Okay, so this is the solution to number 4. Good work, everyone. Let's do number 5. Kung graph lang yung sinend ni Padre, then let us solve first, no? Bago natin tignan yung graph. Kung magtatama yung ating solution. Number 5. So we have y times the quantity x minus 3 equals 4, x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 1. Let's see. If we label this as equation 1 and this as 2, gawin natin yung 2. Number 2 is a circle. Circle. Let us write it in the center radius form. We have x squared minus 6x plus 9 tayo dyan, no? And then plus y squared equals negative 1 plus 9. Alright? So this is x minus 3 squared, galing dito, plus y squared equals 8. So we have a circle with center at 3, 0, radius 2 square root of 2. Next, from 1, if we divide both sides by y, we will have x minus 3 is equal to 4 over y. No? Let us label this as equation 3 and this as equation 4. So we're going to substitute equation 4 to equation 3 such that x minus 3 will be replaced by 4 over y. Then we'll have 4 over y squared plus y squared equals 8. Okay? So that will be 16 over y to the 4th plus y squared equals 8. Multiply all terms by y to the 4th. 16 tama ba? 16 plus no. Y squared lang pala to. Multiply all terms by y squared. So 16 plus y to the 4th equals 8y squared. Equate this to, parang yung number 1, ano? Yung naglumabas do sa equation ni Raven. Minus 8y squared, tama ba? Plus 16 equals 0. Is this a perfect square trinomial such that y squared minus 4 squared, yan, no? 0, tama ba? Y squared is y to the fourth, negative 4y squared, negative 8. Okay, okay. And then, square root of both sides will still have y squared minus 4 equals 0. Then, we have y is equal to positive or negative 2. Okay? Gamitin natin yung equation 1 or equation 4 para makuha natin yung value ng x. If y equals 2, then we have x minus 3 equals 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2, then x is equal to 5. So one solution is 5, 2. The other, if y equals negative 2, we have x minus 3 equals 4 over negative 2. So that is negative 2 plus 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Then we have 1, 2. Is it the same? Are these the same solution as yours, Padre? Nakuha mo sa graph?
Yes po, sir.
What did you use in graphing? Desmos?
Yes po.
Okay, tingnan natin. Copy. Pakita natin sa class yung iyong graph. Alright. So, solution, no? 5, 2, 1, 2. At dinrawing mo lang. Negative 2. 1, negative 2. Dapat 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, what?
Sir,
Kasi nasa ano ka eh, Padre eh. Nasa, teka lang. Yes, Maruska, are you saying something?
sir, negative 2 rin po yung sagot ko.
Tingnan nga natin yung graph. Ay, yeah. Negative 2 yung sinubstitute kasi natin. Sorry. Negative 2 yan. Okay, okay, okay. So that is 1 negative 2. That's correct. Okay? Do you have any question, class? May question? What's up? 8:59. Natapos tayo ng 9 o'clock. Okay, so submit your check exercises that will be counted for the fourth quarter. If there's no more question, it's already 9. May klase rin ako sa 11
Sir,
a.m. Yeah. Yes, Raven, question.
sir, di ba kami apat po nakapagpasa na po, nag-grade niyo na po? I-resubmit pa po ba namin yung checking po?
Yung nag-gradean ko na, i-resubmit nyo lang yung check nyo, yung check exercise nyo, pero hindi naman mababago yung grade doon eh, ha? At least merong record naman na ano, na nag-check lang, no? Ano ba nilagay kong grade doon? Makikita ko naman kung ano nilagay kong grade doon. Okay? Thank you for attending the online class. Goodbye, 12B.
Bye po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po.